Attention, frustrated LLC operators. If I could help you set up a business trust company that's unlisted online in the next few days to own your $1 million portfolio of real estate or brokerage account, would you take me up on that offer? Now think about what this means for just a minute. You see, with those LLCs, you always have the Secretary of State monkey on your back. And with a business trust company, there's no Secretary of State registration, there's no resident agent, there's no filing fees, there's no franchise taxes. The LLCs always leave a permanent digital record online, no matter what the state says about privacy. And with the way I do the business trust companies, they're analog, which means they're a total information vacuum online. So this means all those busybodies, all those competitors, all those adversaries that are interested in what you own or don't own, they're not going to find out anything. Just imagine your mental relief knowing that you've eliminated all those Secretary of State hassles and you've got your assets unlisted online. It's a completely different feeling. Now, my name is James, and I'm the world's foremost authority on commercial business trust for private investors. You can find all my credentials online, my bio, the books I published, the videos, and so on. Website, of course. And for the last 3 decades, I've set up many private trusts for select investors just like you. So what it really comes down to is, do you want the standard old LLC with all that registration and all those hassles, or do you want to experience the unique advantages and benefits that you can get with a business trust company? If you want more information, then check out the other video I did. It's called The Big Scam, or sign up on the link below in the description box. That's all.